there guys, today we are going to be reviewing the Paradigm IAS Academy, which is located in Mumbai. And to review this academy, I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education.in. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They have been around for 11 years, one of the oldest websites to give reviews, and that too honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS academy in India. Not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha, so that you don't have to go to all of those different websites and spend hours researching the right website, the right academy that caters to your needs. Blog.education does that for you. So about Paradigm IAS Academy, this academy is located in Andheri in Mumbai. There are many branches also located in Pune. Today we are going to be discussing the Mumbai branch. As you can see here, our education, after doing a lot of research, has given this academy an overall rating of 4.9 out of 10. This is actually a very mediocre rating compared to the other top institutes in Mumbai. Now their past year results have been average, their infrastructure is average, they have a higher batch size, their faculty quality is also not that good, and their fees is affordable. So here are the reviews about Paradigm IAS Academy. These reviews are given by students who have studied in this academy. So one student is saying that they really like this institute, and according to them it is one of the best institutes in India for IAS and IPS exam preparations particularly, and the faculties are extraordinary. So this review is a good review. Another student is saying that they were quite skeptical about this institution in the beginning, and they find the academy to be very the teachers to be very prudent, and also the batch size is very small, close to 20. So that means they get the students get a lot of individual attention, and also studying at this academy is like makes you more gives you more insight, and it makes you more knowledgeable and sensible. That's what this student is saying here. So yeah, both are actually quite good reviews. Some frequently asked questions are also going to be answered on this page. So what are the courses that Paradigm IAS Academy offers? They offer a complete course, prelims plus mains exam, and prelims consists of 2 papers, general studies and CSAT, which is aptitude. Mains is optional subjects plus general studies, 4 papers including essay writing papers as well. They also teach you optional subjects, but the only optional subject that they are teaching currently is political science. Then they also teach you GS for mains and prelims. These are the contact details of Paradigm IAS Academy. They are located in Andheri in Mumbai, Maharashtra. This is your contact number. Their past year results. So this is your past year results. As you can see, 4 students only have cleared the IAS exam. Some of the benefits of Paradigm IAS Academy are that the locality of this academy is good. They provide good study material, and the preparation that they give you is also really good. Their infrastructure is really good as well. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.